Behold, this is the staff elevator here at the Aloft Hotel in Ocean City, Maryland. This one's a Delaware elevator. Of course, the hotel itself was built in 2019. But I have no idea, you've never seen a staff elevator before. Not to mention it. The faint, the diesel doozy. And here it comes. There's no one in it, but there could be some people that may be busy. Okay. Oh, fine, Mr. President.
That's housekeeping 425. I sent a blanket up earlier.
Oh.
3, 4,
Cuarto 25.
and you are fine. 3.
Wait, also, this for employees only.
Yeah, I get you. I'm going down to 1.
Okay, it's all good. Have a nice day.
You too. Your cab, this cab is big, you know, but it's for employees only, you know. Certificates available in the office, so we have your emergency phone button and the capacity to be as a pound. 2. And that's 1. Now, why the fixtures here have the same like the other one? I think the best floor goes here. To the laundry room. Want your clothes? And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.